his wife, and in those times 13 kids, whatever, and yeah, you can just imagine there were no pollution facilities, whatever it was, and they say that the dust which these guys that made that you could see, I mean, Lichtenberg, whatever, you know, so it was quite a spectacle. So there were the 4 famous potholes which were discovered, whatever. This one is Pienaar. This is the best one because it produced in its heyday, I think, between 1930 and 1949, because that's when the records stopped really. It produced, I think, 700,000 carats of diamonds. Okay. And then the others which were famous is the Malans, Van Wyks. The Van Wyks is the one where there is definitely a kimberlite fissure at depth there. I mean, I've got all the proofs, whatever. And the other one was what is it? King's potholes. So those are the 4 famous ones. But of course there was Cowpers, whatever. So, and they were concentrations where at depth huge amounts of diamonds were found. But they are not potholes in the true sense of the word. You know, pothole means that you had the river concentrating
right
with mechanical action, with water action at the diamonds, but this is not what happened here. Here you have an intricate network of dough lines, underground caves, whatever, and things where water that can just disappear into the dolomite, whatever. And look, we've got lots of examples. 30 kilometers from here, I'm on a farm there. I drilled a water borehole, and out came the most beautiful gravel, whatever, at depth, whatever, you know, which was so there are lots of theories that we don't really know the origin of the diamonds, whatever. I've been working on this for 40 years. We do have the potential sources, whatever. But that's a different story, whatever.
Is there? I mean, what's the prospect that there is a dike of sorts, or a pipe of sorts, sitting underneath?
We tried that we drill whatever into it, whatever, and the dolomite is just so decomposed, whatever. You know, it's it's very difficult that we drill in below. It is possible, yes.
Yeah.
It is possible, whatever. At that time, and that was in 1978, 77, 78, we spent almost R500,000 on drill bits, whatever, you know.
Yeah. And you couldn't get through it.
You have to grout all the time, whatever, you know,
and then but just correct me if I'm wrong. There is actually a gravel run that runs out from the pothole down south towards Zamenkomst.
Yes, there's a gravel run which goes that way, and there's a gravel run.
So if you contemplated if anybody were to contemplate setting up an operation on possibly exploring the base of this pothole, what would the prospect of actually taking out a whole side section that sits over that gravel run?
You mean what would be the
earth moving equipment from the outside of the perimeter going down? Is that feasible? Or?
Well, you can go as far as the water table. That is your natural the water table, and
Yeah.
then the water will stop you. If you want to pump out the water, you just have to remember that you have to pump it across the street.
Right.
Okay, because
It'll fill up again.
Yeah. This is a
contained system type of
a
thing.
large groundwater compartment, whatever.
Right. Okay.
And you have to
pump it outside of the compartment.
But and that's where your problem is going to start. Is you have to get the water affairs,
Right.
the permission to do that, whatever. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even okay. What about if we were pumping it onto the same property?
Well,
Just
what you're doing is
So it needs to be
it'll be
quite
back,
a far. Okay.
It will be back in 24 hours. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.